Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, hill descent control, front spoiler, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, perimeter alarm, power brakes, ambient lighting, battery saver. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.